Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do a blind contour drawing. Now I'm doing this at my desk. It's actually a lot easier to do this at the tables in the middle of the room, but I wanted to record this demo. So the first thing you need to do a blind contour is just a plain piece of paper, that's fine. A pen, doesn't matter what color it is, any color will do, as long as you can see it. And then two, I like to use a little bit of tape, and I'll show you why. So I'm just going to review the rules of blind contour. One, when you do a blind contour, you cannot look at your paper. So for that reason, I like to just put a piece of tape on the paper to tape it to the table, because then it's less likely to move. If it does move, I'm likely to probably look at it, and I don't want to break the rules. So that's why I tape it down. It's just to prevent it from moving and then me looking at the paper. So tape it down if you want to, you don't have to. So you can't look at the paper while you're doing the drawing. You cannot pick up the pen that you're using while you're doing the drawing. So you're going to have one big line basically, okay? And because you can't pick up the pen, everything's going to be connected. So this is the shoe I'm going to be drawing. So if you look at this Nike swoosh, okay, it's not connected to anything, it's just on top of these things. But when I do the drawing, it's going to be connected to something it's not supposed to be, just because of the rules of blind contour. So it's going to look strange. The other thing you need to focus on are details. So like you want to make sure that you kind of get all these shapes that you see in this, all these little intricate details that you might see on the shoe, even attempting sort of the textures and the special fabrics that you see on the shoe too. So I'm going to try to include that stuff. Now, because you have to include details, it does take a long time to draw. And just to make this demo go a little bit faster, I'm not going to be able to complete this drawing, or I'd be sitting here for 30 minutes. And I don't think you guys need to see me do it for 30 minutes. So I'll do it for a few minutes, and then we'll see what it looks like. Now, with that being said, because I can't look at my paper, is this drawing going to turn out well? Be honest. No. Okay. Is anything going to be in the right spot? No. Is anything going to be the right size? No. That's not the purpose of this drawing. Okay. The purpose of this drawing is to connect your eyes to your hands. Okay. So what your eyes see, your hand is doing the same thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of pick an area of the shoe to start. I'll start kind of in the back of the shoe. I'll start by looking maybe up here, and then what I'm going to do is my eye is going to kind of travel along these edges. I'm going to pick up things with my eye as I travel along the shoe, and my hand is doing the same movement. Okay? So the shoe is going to be off camera, but it should be sitting in front of you. In all actuality, I would likely have my paper off to the side so that it's not even close to my shoe. Because again, I don't want, if my paper's in front of me, I'm likely to look at it. So I'm going to try really hard not to look at it. Scoot that over. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Again, I'm going to start at the top of the back of the shoe. All right. So wherever my eye goes, my hand is going to. I can't pick up my pen. Got these little holes. None of those holes are connected on the actual shoe, but because of the rule of the blind contour, they have to be. But details is a big thing for blind contour, so I want to include them. So I'm kind of doing this gray part at the bottom of the shoe. Again, wherever my eye goes, my hand is copying that movement. There's a ledge on this. So wherever my eye goes, my hand goes. And my eye's not moving very quickly along the edge, or the edge of where I'm at, and it shouldn't. because I'm picking up every little bit of detail as I travel along this. So the bottom of the shoe, there's like tread. Try to pick that up. There's an edge here. So again, in all actuality, it would probably take me, and I'm totally guessing, maybe a half hour to do an entire blind contour drawing of this shoe. But you guys don't need to see me draw for that long. Let's see if I can get at least the bottom. This is a pink part of the sole. Ooh, there's writing. Uh-oh. Not going to look good. Some details. Okay. Ooh, nice. Okay. So, tell me what you think. Looks nice, huh? Yes, you can, I know you guys can totally tell what I was doing. I was doing this is that. This is all that. Oh, that's beauty. So that's a blind contour. Not finished, but, you know, good start. So that's how you're going to do that.